I want to talk about a problem that I face all the time as a gamer on the road. First, I have two notebooks. One of them is a large gaming notebook. It's 17 inches as a screen, weighs over 6 pounds, and it's awesome to game on, but it's really difficult to carry all the time. It's just heavy. On the other side of the fence, I have a very portable, ultra thin notebook, 14-inch screen, weighs about 2.5 pounds, and that's what I take on the road to travel or to work. And I really wish I had one device, something like this, that would allow me to game when I needed to or travel when I needed to. The point is, the choice would be mine, and with AMD X-Connect technology, we can give you exactly that. AMD X-Connect technology adds support for Thunderbolt 3 external graphics enclosures configured with Radeon R9 300 series or R9 Fury graphics. For example, we've configured this enclosure with a Radeon R9 Nano GPU. And when you do that, when you configure one of these external enclosures with a Radeon graphics card, you can connect and disconnect the enclosure from a compatible notebook at any time. In fact, it's as easy to use as a USB flash drive. The Razer Blade Stealth. It's a beautiful notebook from Razer, super portable. And as an optional accessory, it comes with the Razer Core, a Thunderbolt 3 external graphics enclosure that can accept GPUs up to 375 watts of power consumption. So that means you could configure this enclosure with the AMD Radeon R9 390X, the R9 Nano, or even the R9 Fury from Asus. And when you do that, you can connect and disconnect the Razer Core from the Razer Blade Stealth at any time. It supports USB and Ethernet connections on the back of the Razer Core as well. So it's very easy to assemble a desktop class sort of experience out of a small and portable system. And it's upgradable. And I think that's what gamers everywhere really want to see. There's also a bigger story behind AMD X-Connect technology, the Razer Blade Stealth, and the Razer Core. Razer, AMD, and the Intel Thunderbolt group. Collectively, we agreed that powerful external graphics cards that are easy to connect to a laptop like this one is something that gamers would really appreciate. So Intel provided the Thunderbolt 3 specification, which provides up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth on a really simple reversible cable. Razer implemented the Thunderbolt 3 spec in their notebook, and they went through all the effort to validate that solution and make sure it runs really well and looks great for gamers everywhere. And the last piece that we provided at AMD was a graphics driver that was compatible with Thunderbolt 3 external graphics specification. And when you put all of that together, you get the Razer Blade Stealth and you get the Razer Core. But all of that work that we've done to tackle BIOS issues and platform challenges and cabling and software problems, that work was fed back into industry standards. So we've done the work for you, and we've done the work for the broader PC industry. And that is why we at AMD are absolutely confident that we will see future systems that behave like the Razer Blade Stealth and the Razer Core. Another key benefit of AMD X-Connect technology and the Thunderbolt 3 external graphics specification is that you have the choice between gaming on the notebook's internal panel, which comes in 1440p or 4K on the Razer Blade Stealth, or you can connect an external monitor up to 4K resolution. And because you have an AMD Radeon R9 300 series graphics card in there, you can connect an AMD FreeSync enabled monitor for incredibly smooth gaming. Now, the important thing to keep in mind about AMD X-Connect technology is that it's a generic driver for Thunderbolt 3 external graphics enclosures like the Razer Core. We expect other OEMs in the future will come up with bigger enclosures, smaller enclosures. Some will be user upgradable, some will be very compact with mobile graphics cards inside. But the point is, there's a very simple and small set of requirements that a manufacturer has to meet to make a Thunderbolt 3 external graphics enclosure. And if they take those steps, and we expect that they will, AMD X-Connect technology will make it very easy to plug in and game on.
Meet the amazing Node Pro PCIe expansion chassis. With its handy carrying handle, you can take it anywhere. It opens a world of possibilities. From capture cards to audio and network cards, your options are endless. With two 6+2-pin PCIe power cables that provide power directly to the card, and with 4 PCIe 3.0 lanes, it can handle almost any full-length card, delivering speeds up to 2750 megabytes per second. Cards can easily be swapped with no tools required. and securing the cover takes just a second. The Node Pro has a built-in 500-watt power supply, display port, and 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, so you can daisy-chain additional devices. The Node Pro is engineered for both Mac and Windows. It delivers 60 watts of continuous power to keep your laptop charged. The Node Pro. Take it anywhere.
Turn your mobile workstation into a powerful battle station. The Aorus GTX 1070 gaming box is a complete yet compact solution that comes with a GTX 1070 graphics card and 450-watt PSU built inside. Hook it up to your laptop and you have a battle-ready machine right away. Here is how it works. First, plug in the power cord. Next, connect the gaming box to your laptop with the Thunderbolt USB Type-C cable included in the package. The Thunderbolt 3 technology enables blazing fast 40 gigabits per second of data transfer while providing up to 100-watt power to the connected laptop at the same time. When you see the gaming box lights up and hear the notification sound, it means the laptop has successfully recognized the gaming box. Then follow the instructions on the screen to proceed. Finally, download the NVIDIA driver and the installation is done. A quick reminder, do not unplug and replug the cable immediately as it may cause system failure. Wait for the disconnection sound and then plug the cable back in again. Now you're ready to play on your Ultrabook laptop. Just to up your game even more, you can connect an external monitor of your choice for an enhanced gaming experience. At the back, there are 3 USB 3.0 ports where you can hook up your gaming peripherals and external storage to set up a complete battle station. There is also an extra quick charge 3.0 port to charge your mobile devices when the battery is running low. There you have it, the innovative external graphics solution from Aorus. Work hard, but don't forget to play even harder. Enjoy the best of both worlds with the Aorus GTX 1070 gaming box.
Hi, this is Greg from Asus ROG, and we're here in New York at the Asus Zenvolution event, showing off a lot of the new Zen products, but we also have an ROG display going on, so I want to show you one of the coolest ROG products that we have on display here. Now, I know you might look at this and say, hey, that's not ROG, and you're right. This is the Transformer 3 Pro, and it's an ultra-portable 2-in-1 that's very fast. It runs a Intel Core i7, a 512GB SSD, and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. But one of the coolest features this has on it is a Thunderbolt 3 connection, and that's where the ROG comes in. Let's say you want to game on this thing. Well, you can go ahead and plug it into the ROG XG Station 2. And this is an external graphics card enclosure. Right now it's got a Strix GTX 1080 inside. And it's more than just an enclosure. If you take a look at the back, it has networking, USB hub, so you can really use it as a dock. You bring your 2-in-1 home, you can plug it into the really high-powered graphics and start gaming or editing video, anything like that. And here on this display, we've got it set up kind of how you might have it at home with the keyboard and mouse. Right now, we're using with the brand new Spatha mouse and the Claymore keyboard, which is going to be available soon. But we've also got it connected to our latest PG248Q monitor. This is a 24-inch 1920 by 1080 monitor, and its real claim to fame is its refresh rate. It's up to 180 hertz. So this is the monitor we send to all of the esports tournaments that we sponsor, just so people can have the highest refresh rate possible. So that is the ROG XG Station 2. It's a really cool way to get desktop level graphics onto an Ultrabook or a 2-in-1 like we have here. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and we'll see you next time.
The Alienware graphics amplifier is something we're extremely proud of. It's something that we've dreamed for a long time. We're the first to come out with a device like this. It allows you to achieve graphics on par with a desktop within a notebook. We have multiple USB 3 ports, and we have our proprietary cable. This cable connects to the back of the computer. The benefit to that is you leave this set up at your desk. You leave your keyboard, your external hard drives, and mice permanently hooked up to this. And when you come and you sit your notebook down, you hook the cable up and you're good to go. Alienware Graphics Amplifier was designed to be easy to access on the inside so that anybody can easily get in and upgrade their own graphics card. Currently, we have two graphics cards running on our notebook. We have our standard integrated graphics, and we have our external graphics amplifier. We're gonna go ahead and load the Tomb Raider benchmark now. The beautiful part about this benchmark here is you're gonna see the benefits of having the graphics amplifier hooked up. It's gonna push the frame rates even higher. It's gonna give you even more visual effects. It's gonna increase the immersion that you have within the game. With all of the settings in Tomb Raider turned up to max, including Tress Effects, which renders each individual hair separately, we're getting over 120 frames per second. The benefit of the graphics amplifier and the advantage it gives to users is it's going to take all the horsepower from a desktop graphics card and push it back to whatever panel you're using, whether it be the notebook monitor or whether it be a monitor that's on your desk. What we see here is our Alienware performance monitor. It's built into Alienware Adrenaline. We're monitoring the system's performance in real time. You'll see CPU performance, the memory usage, the Wi-Fi usage, and down here you'll notice that it's the graphics usage. So you can actually see how much horsepower we're using in-game or benchmark. We can also record it and look at it again later. In the past, PC gamers have been either mobile or desktop users. With the Alienware 13 and the graphics amplifier, we're looking to merge both of those. We're the first to come out with a device like this. We're using high-speed PCI Express, desktop graphics horsepower, all in one box to make our notebooks future-proof for our customers.